Jai Hind everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the significant international organization that played a vital role in promoting cooperation, development, trade, and friendship among its member states. It is called basically the Commonwealth of the Nation. Is a voluntary association of 56 countries. Most of them, most of them are the British Empire colonies, which shared a history, language, and the cultural ties. Commonwealth countries have unique bond. Their transition geographical boundary, and English is a widely spoken language there, and often an official language in this country, facilitating the communication and the collaboration. Among one of the some notable Commonwealth countries include the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, South Africa, Nigeria, and Pakistan. These countries, along with the contribute to the rich diversity and vibrant culture of the Commonwealth. One of the noted one of the notable event organized by Commonwealth is the games of by which the athletes and the sportsperson participate, and the friendship and the trade between the countries are held. So Commonwealth Games held every 4 years. This event brings together athletes from across the Commonwealth, showcasing their talent and promoting unity and friendship. History of Commonwealth Games. The first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 in Hamilton, Canada. Initially known as the British Empire, known as the inaugural event features 11 countries. Something around 30 to 50 athlete participate there and won some gold, some bronze, and some silver medal. Officially, last 2 years back, India participated in the Birmingham Commonwealth Games and did the well in the tournament. Today, total medal India won in 61 medal consisting of 22 gold medal and 16 silver medal and 23 bronze medal. The Commonwealth promotes cooperation of various issues, including trade, developing, and the human rights. Its member states work together to address common challenges and achieve shared goals. Also, in the defense sector, they had also a unity by which they can come back also strong. In conclusion, the Commonwealth of the nation is a shining example of international cooperation and friendship. Its member states work together to promote peace, prosperity, and the development of the nation, and its impact is felt across the globe. And after that, they all happily lived in the nations. Thank you.